Cut చేసి. So in last class we discussed about nature of roots, okay, and we solved some problems also, okay. Today also we do some problems on nature of roots, okay. Then we will move to the graphs of the quadratic equations, okay. Now the problem is mx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Mx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. One root of this equation is 2/3 of the other one. 2/3 of the other one. Then find the sum of the roots. Okay, once again I will repeat. If one of the root of this quadratic equation is 2/3 of the other one, then find the sum of the roots. Then find the sum of the roots. Yeah. Okay, na? I think you understood this problem. So let two roots be alpha and beta. Now what is given? One root is 2/3 of the other one. Suppose one root is alpha, then other one is 2/3. That means 2/3 alpha. 2/3 alpha. Yeah. Now exercise 3A lo 4th Roman lo. Tell me one problem, sir. Exercise 3A lo 4th Roman lo. Okay. Okay. Sneha, we will discuss it. Okay, na? Okay, let us complete this problem. Now find the sum of the roots. Now the roots are alpha and 2/3 alpha. Yeah. Now here alpha plus 2/3 alpha. Alpha plus 2/3 alpha equal to 10/m. 10/m. Next alpha into 2/3 alpha equal to 3/m. Yeah. Now from this so this is 5/3. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5/3 alpha equal to 10/m. 5 2 0. Okay, so alpha equal to 3 into 6/m. 6/m. Alpha equal to 6/m. Now substitute the 6/m here. So here this is 2/3 alpha square equal to 3/m. So 2/3 alpha square means 36/m square equal to 3/m. Okay, na? So the roots are alpha 2/3 alpha. Sum of the roots and product of the roots. From sum of the roots we find alpha value and substitute those alpha value in product of the roots. Okay, na? And now from here 3 1s are 3 12s are. Okay, 3 1s are 3 4s are. So that is 8/m square equal to 1/m. Okay, na? So 1m will be cancelled because m is not equal 0. Because if m equal 0, then it is not a quadratic equation. So m not equal 0. So that means m equal to 8. M equal to 8. Yeah, m equal to 8. So then the equation becomes 8x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Now sum of the roots. Now sum of the roots. What is the sum of the roots? Minus b by a, which is 10 by 8, which is 10 by 8. So that means 5 by 4. Sum of the roots is 5 by 4. Is it okay? Okay, na? So to find the sum of the roots, we have to calculate the m value. Okay, na? To find m value, we are using the sum of the roots property and product of the roots property, so that we can find m value. By using this m value, we will find the sum of the roots, which is minus b by a. So 10 by 8, which is 2 5 is 2 4 is 5 by 4. Yeah. So Sneha asked exercise 3A, fourth Roman. Fourth Roman. Exercise 3A, first Roman, fourth Roman. 3A lo, fourth Roman lo. Okay. Fourth problem. Okay. First Roman, fourth two. If alpha, beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, find the values of following expressions. Okay, we will do. That's what. Video is not clear. What about others? Is video clear to everybody? Okay. Okay, Abhishek Reddy, check once. I think there is network problem from your side. Likit not clear. Somebody says clear, somebody says it's not clear. Surendra. Who is Surendra? Why it's not clear? Yeah, network is very good for me. So from my side, there is no problem in network. It's a very high speed net. So check your side. Okay, solve this equation. Just check. చెయ్యి కడుక్కో. చూడు దాన్ని హైట్ పెట్టట్లా, రివర్స్లో పెట్టండి. Anybody got answer? One, two. 1, 2. Yeah. Okay, so let me check. So let mod x equal to t. So t square minus 3t plus 2 equal to 0. So this is t minus 2 into t minus 1 equal to 0. Yeah. So t equal to 2 and t equal to 1. So t means mod x. So mod x equal to 2. So x equal to plus or minus 2. Yeah. Here mod x equal to 1. So x equal to plus or minus 1. So what are the roots? The roots are minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2. 4 roots. Is it clear? Yeah, Sneha, good. Very good, Sneha. Yeah, think about Mamata, Banu, Vijay. See, there is mod x is there, okay na? There is mod x. So look at that. Huh? Okay na? So mod x value 2 and 1. So therefore x values are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. Okay? Yeah. Okay, now we will move to the doubt which is asked by Sneha. Okay, so the given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The roots of this quadratic equation alpha and beta. Okay. And now we have to calculate 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. The first one 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Sneha, this one what you are asking? This session only. This Roman only you are asking. Sneha. Okay. Now we have to find this one. Now what is given? The roots of this quadratic equations. Quadratic equation are alpha and beta. Okay na? So from this alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta equal to c by a. Okay. Now from this simplify this, what you will get? Alpha beta is the LCM. So in numerator alpha plus beta. So this is equal to what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a by c by a. So this a will be cancelled, which is minus b by c. That's all. Minus b by c. Lick it. Product of the roots c by a. Okay na? Okay, one more problem. Alpha square plus beta square by. So which one? Fifth one. Alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. Okay na? Now from this, how can we write this one? This is equal to alpha square plus beta square by, this is 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Yeah. Okay, Mamta, I will do. Okay now from this, alpha square plus beta square by alpha square plus beta square by alpha square beta square. So this will be cancelled, which is alpha square beta square. So which is equal to alpha beta whole square. So alpha beta means c by a. So c square by a square. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, I will do one more. Second one. I will do one more. Second one. So 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Now from this, how can you write alpha square plus beta square by alpha square beta square? Now alpha square plus beta square, a square plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay na? So this is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta whole square. Okay. Now this is equal to, what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. So that is b square by a square minus 2 into alpha beta is c by a by alpha beta whole square, which is c square by a square. Just simplify this, you will get answer. Okay na? Just simplify, you will get the answer. Okay. Is it clear, Snaha? Exercise 3F, first Roman, 9th problem. Okay. So first of all, 9th problem. So that means find the condition that one root of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 shall be n times the other, where n is a positive integer. Yeah, that's what. Okay, so the problem asked by Mamata. So the roots are alpha and alpha because one of the root is n times the other root. Okay, so the roots are alpha and alpha. So alpha plus n alpha equal to minus b by a, sum of the roots. That means n plus 1 into alpha equal to minus b by a. So this is the condition 1. Next, product of the roots, alpha into n alpha equal to c by a. So that means n alpha square equal to c by a. Yeah. So this is second one. And now from 1 and 2, see, substitute alpha value from this. Okay. From this, find the alpha. Alpha equal to minus b by n plus 1 into a. Substitute this alpha value in this equation. N into b square by n plus 1 whole square a square equal to c by a. Yeah. And now one a will be cancelled. Okay. So b square equal to n plus 1 whole square by n. Okay. AC. That's all. B square equal to n plus 1 whole square by n into AC. Okay, Mamata, is it clear? N times, so alpha and n alpha are the roots. Okay. If you have any doubts, what about others? If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. Okay, next problem. Find the nature of the roots. Find the nature of the roots of quadratic equation x minus a into x minus b plus x minus b into x minus c plus x minus c into x minus a equal to 0. Find the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation. Anybody? So that means what we have to find, whether the roots are real and distant, or imaginary roots, or real and equal, or rational roots. Okay, na? That's what we have to calculate. Okay, so what we have to do? First of all, we have to simplify this one. Yeah. Now, what about this? X minus a and x minus b. This is x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. Now, this is x square minus b plus c into x plus bc. Now, this is x square minus a plus c into x plus ac equal to 0. Okay, na? Okay. And now, how many x square? 3x square. So 3x square minus the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a. Okay, now that means 2 into a plus b plus c into x. Next, ab plus bc plus ca equal to 0. Is it okay? Is it clear to everybody? 3x square. Okay, na? X square, x square, x square, 3x square minus a plus b plus b plus c plus a, which is 2 into a plus b plus c. Yeah. Okay. And now this is our quadratic equation. So to find the nature of the roots, what we have to do? We have to find the discriminant. Okay. So what about discriminant? D equal to, so b square minus 4ac. So that is 4 into a plus b plus c whole square minus 4ac. So 12 into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, b square minus 4ac. Now, so from this, So take common 4. If you take common 4, a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. Now see, this is the a square plus, sorry, a plus b plus whole square. So a plus b plus whole square means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. So that means 4 into a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 3ab. That means minus ab minus bc minus ca. Is it clear? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 3ab minus ab plus 2bc minus 3bc minus bc plus 2ca minus 3ca minus ca. Yeah. Now this is the most important point. Now what about this one? Whether it is positive or negative or equal to 0. Anybody? Up to here, no problem. It's easy. Now what about the expression? What about this value? We discussed in first year. I don't know whether you remember or not. We discussed in first year this type of expressions. So what is the value of this one? How can we write this one? Anybody? Is greater than or equal to 0? How? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. No, 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 no. Okay, see. So now this one, okay, here, what we have to do means, this is 2 into 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square. Yeah. One minute. Now see a minus b whole square plus b minus c square plus c minus a whole square. So what is the value of this one? What is the value of this one? So if we expand this, what we will get? 2 into a square plus b square